Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A Chicago-style Italian beef is on the menu today, and here's what you need to make it. You'll need that Italian beef meat. It comes in a bucket. Usually at the grocery stores, you can find it already in a bucket. All right, you'll need some kind of bread, but not a really soft bread. You need to get a really firm bread. So find something for Italian beefs or Italian sausage, some type of Italian bread. You'll need some peppers, mild, hot, whatever kind of peppers you need. And naturally, of course, you will need some cheese. And here I'm going to put an Italian sausage in it, so you don't have to. I'm going to make one of mine this time with an Italian sausage and one of them without. So that's it. Y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. All right, so you want to get your meat into a pan. Make sure you save the juice to it. So get it boiling, get it started. I got my bread sitting out and my sausage, so I'm ready to go. Easy recipe, especially if you get the meat from the store that's already in the Italian beef juice. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to open my bread up. I'm going to put some slices of cheese in it because I like cheese on the top and on the bottom. So I like to make sure I got a lot of cheese. I'm going to put cheese on there. I'm going to put that Italian sausage on there. So after I put that Italian sausage on there, I'm going to put the meat on there that's already boiling on the stove. So that's the next step after this. You want to get your cheese ready that's going to go on the top, and of course you want to open your peppers and have those ready, but you want to be able to assemble this very quickly. But the reason why I have it in aluminum foil, because it's going to be hot. I'm going to put it in there, and that's the way we're going to keep it hot, because that's the way it gets served here in Chicago, in the Chi. Alright, so I put another slice of cheese, broke it in half. You can cut it if you want to make it look neater, but it won't make any difference because we got ingredients going on the top of it. So if you don't like a lot of cheese, you can omit the cheese if you want to. Absolutely. If you are lactose intolerant or you don't want to use cheese, by all means don't. I'm using provolone. You can use a mozzarella cheese or any Italian style cheese. So any white cheeses, you can use those, except for like a Parmesan. Don't use that. So, all right. So see, I'm going to put that hot meat right on the top. Put as much of that meat as you want to, like pile it down. And when you're doing it, push that meat down in there a little bit. So you know you got the cheese at the bottom and you got the sausage right there. But you want to take this meat and you want to put as much of this meat on the top as you can. Now there are some restaurants in Chicago, they will cut this meat. They will chop it up and serve it, so you can chop it up if you want to. If you don't want to leave the slices like I have, you are more than welcome. Absolutely. It's not wrong to chop it up, but this is good. So look at all that meat. Look at all that meat on there. Hoo chow. Chicago style Italian beef, y'all. Let's go. I'm telling y'all, this is good. It's good and it's authentic. I am telling you, this is really, really good. So, all right. I'm slow assembling. I'm ready to eat. I promise this day I'm really, really hungry. So you can see again, and somebody's going to say it's an atrocious amount of cheese on the top of there. But trust me, that cheese nearly melts into the sandwich. And if you don't put enough, it's almost like you don't have any cheese on there. So if you're a cheese person like I am, then you want to make sure you absolutely have enough on here. But like I said, you can omit the cheese if you don't want it on there. I like cheese and I like extra cheese on mine. So just the way it is. All right, so that's what's going to melt our cheese right here. So I'm going to put a little bit of this juice. I'm going to use the juice on this sandwich because that's what we call dipped here in the Chi-Town. We call that our Italian beef is getting dipped. So normally the entire sandwich gets immersed down into the juice, as I said. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. At this point, we're going to put our peppers on it. So we're going to complete this sandwich. Easy, just like I told you. Really easy sandwich. Really, really, really good. So look at that. So I used a hot giardiniera. So you can use those banana peppers. You can use green peppers for mildness if you want to. You can use, I normally don't recommend sport peppers, but if you like them and you want to use them, you can. So what kind of peppers you want to use on here? But you have to have some kind of peppers on. It's not authentic without peppers, and especially giardiniera. So if you don't use giardiniera, though, just use the ones I just said. So there you go. Look at that. That, my dears, is an authentic Chicago style Italian beef sandwich. Now, actually, this one is the Italian combo because it's got the Italian sausage down in it. So this is actually the Italian combo. But without that sausage, it's just a plain Italian beef. You see that? It's going to put more juice, and some of that juice is going to run down into the bottom of that little tray I have it sitting on. It's going to run down into the bottom of there. So it's going to soak our bread a little bit the way we like it. But normally we would put it into one of those other little containers, the red and white ones, or just put it in aluminum foil with wax paper and make sure it's up around there really good and that your juice does not leak out. So check that out, y'all. An authentic Chicago style Italian. You know it's juicy. I had to put it on some paper towels, y'all. Check this out. I had to put it on some paper towels. But I'm telling y'all, this is it. Y'all see what it looked like. I'm not going to do a taste test today. I'm not. But this is what it looks like when it's done. And I'm telling y'all, y'all better go make this. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.